All right, we got a fun one now. We got to take this here loader and this little miscellaneous pile of goodies and fit it to this tractor. So that loader was designed for this tractor, but the mounts that fit back here and up here and all that stuff for the loader bucket is no longer available. It is obsolete. So we're going to go ahead and make them and adapt this loader to fit this tractor. I've already started. I went ahead and got my CAD program going, my cardboard aided design. So we're starting to cut some stuff out and we're going to get this thing working. So here we go. There is just something really satisfying about a mag drill when it just blows right through. Punches out these little slugs. Yeah. Love this thing. I realize not everybody knows how a mag drill works, but it has these annular cutters. The center pin is what aligns your hole, and then the annular cutter, instead of cutting out all the material, only cuts out that annular ring. So you get a really nice accurate hole. It's like a drill press, but mobile, and works really well. So anyway. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a weekend. I got all of my little brackets bolted in place. I missed that hole by like 1/4 of a millimeter, just barely. So I gotta ream it out a little bit and get that one in. But we got all the side plates in, all the side mounts, and I set those up so I can measure my width below the chassis so I can get a true measurement. And also I have to trim them off that 1/2 inch or so. Anyway, yeah. Got most of my main brackets made. I should be able to button this thing up first thing Monday, get it welded up, and then start working on chopping up the verticals and getting those mounted. But yeah, I'm calling it a day, calling it a weekend. I'll go ahead and start a new video on Monday because I'm already 2 minutes into this. So anyway, happy weekend, y'all, and yeah, see you then.